My pickaxe is fucked.
The fuck?
So no power.
Not a sponsor. Whoa!
My pickaxe is
Comes with extra keycaps as well. If I wanted to switch from Mac to Windows, god damn, bro. Damn, bro. Guys, check this out.
My pickaxe is fucked.
See this space, guys. Yeah. And you can click the knob as well.
My pickaxe is fucked.
And the best part is the screenshot button. Mic button. And for the lighting.
Simply lovely.
It's a fucking M3, bro. Look at this shit.
Lovely. Simply lovely. Simply lovely.
Oh, this is the fucking transmitter, fucking receiver. Bro, look at this shit. The fucking wireless receiver. Bro, look at this shit. With mini ass keyboard, bro. Look. Simply lovely, bro. My pickaxe is